Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take the basic FieldGenius export with your latitude and longitude and convert it into a format that is readable by Google Earth. Because by default, FieldGenius for Android exports your data in a DMS format, even though it appears to be a decimal format. So we're going to take that quasi-decimal DMS format and we're going to convert it into something that Google Earth can use. And to do that, I'm going to be using Excel and a little formula. And I'll also, at the end of the video, give you a tip to kind of bypass this if you only have some points you shot that you need to import. So what I did is I used our handy ChatGPT to create us a nice little formula here that I'm going to paste down below in the description. And you can see it is kind of a mess of things. That's why I'm going to suggest you use the one down in the description below. And the only thing you need to be careful about is how many decimal points you want Excel to spit out for you. So at the end here, I've highlighted it. These 000, I've currently set it to 6 decimal points. You can set it to as few or as many as you would like. Just change the number of zeros in this spot. And once you have it set, you're good to go. You can convert it over, and then all you need to do is delete the original Latin longs and move your other ones over, and you're ready to import this into Google Earth and hopefully have your points appear in the right spot. And now, as promised, there's another tip to get around this Excel or this formatting issue with FieldGenius for Android, and that is if you export your file as a survey report, it will also work just fine, and you can import it directly into Google Earth. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use Excel to fix the formatting of FieldGenius for Android exports and get your data into Google Earth. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.